Hi, today I'm going to show you all how to clean the cabinet airflow cabinet. Okay, first we need to use the isopropyl alcohol 70% and a piece of paper. So we start to the inside to shift to the outside and with the one direction only. Be careful not to touch the filter, the HEPA filter. Okay, from the inside to the outside with the one direction only. Okay, so now we're ready for the preparation. So now I will show you how to withdraw the medication from this ampule. The first thing we have to do is to clean the ampule with the alcohol soap. Okay, the most important part is in the neck of the ampule. Okay, this is the neck. We will break the ampule from this point. Okay, see the dot here? We will break the ampule from this point. Okay, but we cannot face the ampule to the HEPA filter. Okay, so we have to face to the side way. Okay, this is all how we do. Okay. Make sure the reading is face to you. Okay. Okay, I will withdraw 2 ml from the preparation. So we tap for all the air. Okay, tap to clean all the air inside, air bubble inside. Okay, so that's the 2 ml. So we will decap it. Okay. And send to lab. Okay, now I will show you how to withdraw the from the wires. Okay, these are alcohol packs. We need it to use to clean the caps. Okay, we clean this part. Okay, very important. Okay. and then all the used material we put to the another side. This is our strings. And this is our needle. I will withdraw 2 ml from the medication. Okay. Be careful to break the ampoules. Okay, 45 degree, and we press and we go straight away. Okay, normally we will withdraw more a little bit. Okay, so later we can so tap for all the remaining the bubble. Okay, and adjust it to the 2 ml. We'll recap the needle. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, remember to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.